Good morning, guys. So, Microsoft Business Intelligence. Simply, we call it as MSBI. Friends, before we have a deep dive into Microsoft Business Intelligence, I want to ask two different questions. What is that? What is business intelligence? What is business intelligence? What is outcome of business intelligence? What exactly you want to achieve with that? What is business intelligence? What is the outcome of the business intelligence? I have these two questions. Then you will be having a clear understanding on Microsoft Business Intelligence tools. So, can someone want to answer this? What is business intelligence? Can someone want to try out? Can someone want to try out?
It's like business analysis we need to do maybe. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, please. Please. Okay. See. Yeah. Yeah, please.
It's nothing but like we will analyze the business of particular organization.
Mm-hmm.
So we will analyze their data basically.
Okay. Okay. Fine. See, guys. We
Yeah.
decided to go ahead and set our roadmap towards business intelligence team. So if someone asks you, hey, you are learning MSBI, can you tell me what do you mean by business intelligence? So in that case, you should be in a position to answer the question. So I want to start with the business intelligence, and then I'm going to answer what is the outcome of the business intelligence, and then we can have a deep dive into Microsoft Business Intelligence tools. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So for that purpose, I just want to have MS Paint because I want to use it as a board actually because we're all connecting from different corners of the globe,
Yeah.
right? So I want to use it as a black, like whiteboard or something, right? Assume that we have Vinay Tech and we have different branches across India. This is my Hyderabad branch, Bangalore branch, and Chennai branch. We have three different branches in India. Now, guys, let me write that. This is my Hyderabad branch. Being a business, right? We maintain the business data. What do you mean by business data over here? Here, student details. When I say student details, student personal details, address details, contact number details, email ID, that includes everything, and course details, your fee details, everything. And also, we maintain our faculty details, our receptionist details, salary details, and rent details, everything. Usually, where do we maintain our business data? Where do we maintain our business data? What are all the storage areas we have? Basically, storage areas has been classified into two ways, my dear friends. Data storages. Number one, file systems and databases, right? Databases. What are the most frequently used file systems? Excel, XML, and then flat file and raw files. These four are the most frequently used file systems. And then SQL Server, databases, Oracle, Teradata, MySQL, DB2, Cassandra. We have NoSQL databases. We have so many things we have. So these are the data storages where we store our business data, right? All my Hyderabad branch details are in my Excel. Now Bangalore branch details are in my Oracle, right? And Chennai branch details are in my Teradata. I have three branches. Each branch has been maintaining their own data in different databases and file systems. Right. Come back, guys. Sir, Infi released 35% revenue for quarter four 2023, right? Infosys was able to generate 35% revenue for quarter four 2023. In the same way, TCS was able to generate 45% revenue for quarter four 2023. Hey, you tell me, this 35% revenue has been generated only from Hyderabad because of the Telugu guys, or else this is enterprise level business data? What is your right answer for, like, what is your opinion? Well, first answer one and answer two. What is the first one? Like, what is the right answer? This is generated across all the branches at enterprise level, or else only from Hyderabad branch.
Enterprise level.
Enterprise level, yes. This is the consolidated, summarized revenue generated across all the branches. In the same way, how about Vinay Technologies? What is the percentage of revenue has been generated for quarter for 2023? That's what I want to know. So now, guys, now I'm expecting the reports. If I expect the reports, I can expect three different reports. If I ask for the reports, I can expect three different reports. Report one from Hyderabad, report two from Bangalore, and three from Chennai. But I don't have time to analyze three different reports. For example, sir, Ambani family is having millions of stores across the globe. If they expect one report from each store, they will be having 1 million or else millions of reports on their bench. Can they be analyzed? No, they can't be analyzed. It's very difficult. So I don't have time to analyze three different reports from three different branches. I need a consolidated enterprise level revenue generation, right? So for that purpose, guys, I'm just going ahead and configure a new server. This is my new server now, and it's been configured with the SQL Server, where you have EDB, Enterprise Database, where you have Enterprise Database. Okay, now guys, I want to maintain all three systems data into one system. You can't do that directly. Why? One system to one system is possible, but multiple and different systems. Multiple means more than one, and a different means Excel, Oracle, and Teradata. These three systems cannot be integrated into one system directly. Then how do we do that? You need to take the help of something called staging area. This staging area is nothing but a temporary space. Okay. You get the data from here to this one. You get the data from here to this one. You get the data from Chennai to this one. And finally, you load the data from here to this one. We totally call this as data integration. Guys, what are these three? We call them as sources, source systems. What about this one then? This is our
Destination.
destination system. Destination or target system. We have only one system. We have three systems, but destination is only one. And what about this one then? Staging area or transformation area, where we apply some transformation activities to convert from unstructured to fully structured data. Okay. So what we call this totally? Data integration. Hey, also we can call it as ETL. What do you mean by that? Extraction, transformation, and loading. Right. Okay, let me elaborate this process. Data integration. Okay, can someone tell me what do you mean by integration? Can someone tell me what do you mean by integration in a normal layman terminology?
Combine.
Amma?
Combine.
Combining. Yes. The integration means combining, merging, unioning. What do you want to combine? People? No. Data. Sir, I want to combine the data which is coming from multiple and different sources into one destination system. Combining the data coming from multiple and different sources into one destination system, we call this as data integration. Are we good now? Are we good now?
Yeah.
Right. Now, sir, what about this one then? ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading. Right. Sir, from source, what exactly you are trying to do? Reading the data or writing the data from source?
Reading the data.
Reading the data. From source, you are trying to pulling or pushing the data?
Pulling.
Pulling. From source, you are setting the data or getting the data?
Getting the data.
Getting the data. Instead of using pulling, reading, taking, selecting, I want to use a proper technical term called extraction. Extraction is nothing but a select statement in its in SQL.
Yeah.
What do we do with the select statement? We retrieve the data. We read the data from different sources. Now, whatever the data that you extracted from the different sources must be processed over here. Extracted data must be processed by using transformations. By using transformations. Right. So ET. What next? Loading processed or transformed data into destination system. This is our total ETL process. Yes. ETL. Are we good now? Are we good now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Sure.
Very nice. Hey, I have, that's my weakness actually. Until and unless I get confirmation from the audience, I can't proceed. Please be active and try to make it more interactive. Ma?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, right, right. For example, guys, for example, here I have 3,000 records and we have 3,000 records. Here we have just 2,000 records. If I go with the data integration, how many records that you are getting as an enterprise data? 8,000 records.
Yes.
8,000 rows. This is our enterprise level business data, right? Now, so
Yeah.
you combined every source system into one system as a enterprise level data. Now use these 8,000 records for our data visualization purpose because the data is still in database format, rows and columns wise, where you can't understand. Being a business user, I can't understand the data available in the database. I know how to run the business, but I don't know how to see the data from the database because I'm not a technical guy. Okay, so that's where exactly report developer will comes into the picture. I'm asking, right, Ashok, or else Mohan. I'm asking, hey, Mohan, I have 8,000 records. I have some business data. Can you please put that in a more understandable format called a report? Yes, right. So I'm just trying
Yeah.
to design a report over here. All right. This is my report, sir. I generated this report from this particular source. Right. What exactly you visualized over here? Right. I want to visualize something over here. Quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four. Right. This is 2020. And this is my revenue wise. So x-axis is having dates and the y-axis is having revenue. So what is your analysis now? What do you do? Hey Mohan, you got a phone bill with the 25,000 rupees outstanding amount. Phone bill is a report. You got a Airtel phone bill, postpaid phone bill with the 25,000
Yeah.
rupees outstanding amount. Would you like to pay the amount immediately as soon as you get the report? No. You
No.
first open the report and then try to analyze the tariff part. So as soon as I get the report must be analyzed. That is our next activity.
Yeah.
That is our next activity, right? Data
Yeah.
analysis. Data analysis. This is our report visualization or data visualization or report design. And this is our data analysis. Now see, sir. Now see. This is our total BI architecture diagram. A basic level BI architecture diagram. What do you mean by BI? Don't say business intelligence.
Mhm.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Business intelligence architecture. Right. Right. Sir, what do you mean by BI? BI means a set of activities. Now let's go back. A set of activities. Contains a set of activities. What kind of activities fall under this one? A set of activities. What are the different activities does it contains? Number one, data integration or else ETL process. ETL full form, extraction, transformation, and loading. Next one, data visualization or report design. And third one, data analysis. These are the three different activities which involves in any BI. Doesn't matter whether it is MSBI, Power BI, Teradata BI, Oracle BI, any BI. Right. Okay. Right. You are done with that. Do you have any questions on that? Do you have any questions on the first question, guys? Do you
No.
have any questions on the first question? No questions, right? Okay. And then, why are we doing that? Why are we implementing business intelligence solutions? Why clients are so enthusiastic in the implementation of robust business intelligence solutions by putting a lot of efforts in terms of the money and the time? Why are we doing that? What do you want to achieve with that? Now come back. Come back. Sir, Mohan got a report. That's nothing but your phone bill outstanding amount with the 25,000 rupees. He opened the report and then started analyzing the data, tariff part. As part of his data analysis, he got to know that his fiancée sits in UK. She is working for a client, right? And Mohan is from India, and he used to call her, and because of IST call and because of the long hours conversation, he got to 25,000 rupees bill. That is the analysis, right? Once you get the report must be thoroughly analyzed. Based on the analysis results, because of this reason, because of long hours conversation, I got 25,000 rupees bill amount. Hey, my salary is 50,000. My bill amount is 25,000 and there is no savings for the next month. So I want to reduce the bill amount. How do you reduce the bill amount? You decide to go for solution number one. You call to call center, ask them to enable IST facility, international call facility on your network. Or else you try to talk less number of hours, automatically bill amount will be reduced. You need to take a decision that
Yeah.
improves your revenue, that increases your savings from next month going forward. So after thorough analysis, you will be in a position to take a better decision that improves your sales, customer revenue, and then it can be anything, customer satisfaction, it can be anything. What is the ultimate goal of your business intelligence is decision making. That's the reason we call this system as decision making system. This total system makes us in taking a better decision, or else DSS, decision supporting system. That is the main advantage of outcome of this one. Simply, we call it as we implement business intelligence solutions for better decision making. Are we good, guys? Are we good,
Yes.
guys? See
Yep.
here now. In quarter one, 2020, the profits are very high because there was no COVID effect. In quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four, it become zero. Revenue become zero because of the lockdown, because of other effects of COVID. What I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to analyzing my own business data. So these are all the different activities of BI, and that is the outcome of the BI. Are we good, guys? Now, are you in a comfortable zone to explain something about BI and outcome of the BI?
Yeah.
Guys? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. And the next one is MSBI tools. What are MSBI tools? Microsoft Business Intelligence Tools. Business intelligence tools from Microsoft Corporation. Number one, SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS. Guys, this is a BI tool. Being a BI tool, where exactly it can fit into in the total architecture diagram? Where exactly it can fit into. What activities can be achieved by using this one? What BI activities can be achieved by using SSIS? Chapal, please.
Extraction.
Extraction. No, not only extraction, Amma. The total integration activities.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
stands for integration.
Yeah.
So, SSIS is an ETL tool or else a data integration tool. Are we good, Amma? This total process can be achieved by using SSIS. So this is our data integration or else ETL tool. Next one. What is our next activity? Reporting. SSRS. SQL Server Reporting Services. The purpose of this one is the name itself clearly states that it can fit into a data visualization activity or report design activities, right? SSAS and SQL Server analysis services. This is for data analysis purpose. Now see, this particular activity can be achieved by using SSRS, and this particular activity can be achieved by using SSAS, where we perform multi-dimensional model and tabular models. Yes. Sir, you are in a position to perform ETL activities by using MSBI tool called SSIS. ETL activities can be achieved by using MSBI tool called SSIS. Reporting activities can be achieved by using SSRS. And data analysis activities can be achieved by using MSBI tool called SSCAS. So, are we in a position to perform all BI activities by using MSBI? Yes. So, can we say this is my Microsoft Business Intelligence? Can we
Yeah.
say it's our Microsoft Business Intelligence? Yes.
Yes.
Because we are in a position to perform all BI activities using MSBI tools. Yes. So this is our MSBI architecture. This is our MSBI architecture. Hey, I see two more people like Aruna. Can you please provide me your email ID so that I can share the recording session, Amma? You can ping me in the chat window.
Yeah, sure. I'll give.
Thank you. Right, right. Aruna, are you able to understand? Because I think you joined little late.
Yeah, I was able to follow the
Okay,
concepts.
cool then.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. But friends, if you see here, yes, why MSBI? We have so many tools available in the market. Why MSBI? We have so many tools available in the market. Now see, ETL tools, Informatica, Data Stage, Ab Initio, very old tool. Ab Initio, right? Pentaho, Talent, Aldrich, right? And then a BODS or a ODI. These are the different Snowflake. We have so many ETL tools available in the market, right? Next one. Next one. Reporting come analysis tools. SAP BO, Tableau, Power BI, right? And then ClickView, MicroStrategy, business objects, right? It's already done. Actuate, and then Jasper reports, TIBCO Spotfire, right? We have so many tools. So Cognos, very old tool it is. Yeah. Sir, even though we have these many tools available in the market, why should I go ahead and set my roadmap towards business intelligence team? Microsoft Business Intelligence team? Why business simply? Why MSBI simply? Even though we have so many tools, so many mobiles available in the market, why people are so enthusiastic, so towards iPhones? They have it's multiple number of parameters. So simply, why MSBI? Why MSBI? Why MSBI? Guys, why MSBI? So we are going to lose the connection in another 2 minutes,
Yeah.
Sandy, right? Remaining meeting is. So yeah, we'll continue in tomorrow's session. That's fine. We'll continue up for a 2 minute until it's been completed, right? Fine then. Why MSBI? Can someone want to try out? Hey
Maybe
guys,
more functionalities.
more functionality. Okay, I'll answer this in tomorrow's session. Yeah.
It will be integrated across the Office 365 platforms.
Okay, very nice. Even though it's wrong, try to speak out, Amma. Please try to speak out. It's not like even see, we're all connecting from different places, right? So we don't know who is doing what. So try to answer it. If, for example, if it is offline session, oh, we don't know what other people think about us, right? But we're all from different places, global locations, right? So happily answer it, even though it's wrong. Try to speak out. That's very, very important. Yes, please.
Maybe it is easy to use.
Easy to use?
Not sure.
Yes. That is also one of the reason. Basically, if you see here, these are all from different vendors, right? And these are all from different vendors. If I go for Informatica license, I can achieve only ETL activities. But how about the reporting and analysis? Again, I need to go for Tableau or else Power BI or else some other tool. It's going to hit my cost. To avoid that, if I go for MSBI, right, I will be getting everything under one shelter. That's nothing but MSBI tools. So if you want to go for a ETL, SSIS, for reporting purpose, SSRS, for analysis purpose, we can go for SSAS. So all BI